Good day, everyone. My name is Clyde Matthew K. Manao from Grade 1, St. Andrew, Corsini, and today I am making an ice cream. To make an ice cream, first you have to prepare the ingredients and utensils needed. Second, in a bowl, mix your condensed milk and Nestle cream. After mixing, add your crushed Oreo. Lastly, put in a container, add our toppings and let it freeze by putting it in the freezer. Do you know what happens when we freeze liquid? Well, it turns into solid, just like our ice cream mixture. See, it's liquid, but when we put in the freezer, it's now solid.